Do you want to learn how to use the power of the latest artificial intelligence tools in Photoshop to take your editing to the next level? Then you've come to the right place. I'm Kush Sharma. I'm a professional photography and video making instructor, and in this very elaborate and detailed course, I will be showing you how to use the latest generative AI-based tools that have just arrived in Photoshop, which are changing the game of editing and post-processing in its entirety. The first thing that we'll do in this course is that we'll be getting a little glimpse of what these AI tools exactly do. Some of these tools are the latest generative fill tool, the generative expand tool, the latest neural filters which are AI based, and so much more. Once you've seen what these tools are capable of doing, we'll first of all, before we get into the learning phase, we'll just see how the entire Adobe ecosystem works when it comes to AI. What is their technology? How does it work? Where does it all fit in when it comes to Photoshop? Because Adobe has a lot of different software which deal with AI. Once you've understood this entire ecosystem, then you'll be at the perfect place to start the learning process, and that will happen when we go inside and start to learn about the latest generative fill AI tool, which can generate content inside your existing image just by typing in prompts. Some of the things that we will be doing with generative fill include changing the backdrops, changing the wardrobe, removing distractions and objects, changing the sky in your landscape image, doing some high-end skin retouching which otherwise would take hours, adding props and different elements in product and food shots, changing the canvas size of an existing image by artificially adding in new pixels which fit in very seamlessly. Some of this will really seem unreal if you've never ever used AI tools before. But as you're going to find out, it's not as easy as selecting something and then just typing in prompts. There is an art and science to it, and that's what you'll be learning in this course. Another category of AI-based tools that we will be spending a lot of time are the neural filter AI-based tools. Here you'll be seeing some amazing functionalities by which you can smoothen the skin. You can literally change the portrait in any way that you want. You can turn black and white images into color, completely change the look of any landscape image that you have according to the different seasons, restore old and washed up images and turn them into brand new looking images, upscale low resolution images into high resolution images, and even do things like transfer the makeup from an existing portrait image onto another one. You'll also be seeing how Photoshop is implementing the usage of AI when it comes to selecting your subject. In this section, we'll be looking at a lot of different types of AI-based selection tools inside Photoshop. There are a host of other AI tools also, like sky replacement tools, tools that help you remove distractions and objects, and a host of other AI-based tools which actually have been in Photoshop for quite some time, but most people are not aware of. Once you've seen how all these different AI tools work, we'll also be editing some of the images in ways in which all these multiple AI-based tools are used together to perform some extreme photo manipulation. There is absolutely no doubt that Adobe came to the AI party a bit late, but it has certainly arrived, and make no mistake, it is here to take over. AI is changing the world, and right now would be the best time to take advantage of this technology because it's still in its infancy. It's literally like picking a stock which is guaranteed to boom in the future. So if you like the sound of all this and you are ready to incorporate AI, not only to become a better editor, but also to actually become a better photographer, then sign up right now and we will get started with this course straight away.